Welcome to English Flow Listening, where you improve your English naturally every day. I hope you are doing well. Today's story is very important. It has a powerful life lesson and many daily life useful sentences that we use every day. So please practice them and repeat. Now let's start the story. My name is Lucas. I am not special. I am not talented. I am just a normal boy. A simple boy with simple dreams. I live in a small village, far from the city, far from the noise. There are no big roads here. There are no big buildings, only dust, trees, and silence. Life here is slow and simple, but also challenging. My family is poor. We do not have much money. We do not have a big house. Our house is made of mud and bricks. The roof leaks when it rains. But inside that small house, there is something beautiful. There is honesty, there is love, there is hope. My father works hard every day, his hands are rough. His back is tired, but he never complains. He never gives up. He is my hero. I learn patience from him. I learn courage from him. Every morning, I wake up early before the sun rises. I help my father before school. Sometimes I carry water from the well. Sometimes I clean the yard. Sometimes I help in the field. My hands become dirty. My clothes become dusty, but I feel proud. After work, I get ready for school. I wear my old uniform. It is faded and torn, but it is clean. I take my old bag. I say goodbye to my mother. She kisses my forehead and whispers, "Study well, my son." I walk to school. The road is long and dusty. Sometimes I feel tired, but I keep walking because education is my only hope. At school, I am very quiet. I do not talk much. I do not ask questions. I just listen silently. I sit on the last bench in the corner. I feel safe there. No one notices me. But deep inside, I feel lonely. I feel like I do not belong. English class is my biggest fear. When the teacher speaks English, my heart beats fast, my palms become sweaty, my mind becomes blank. I understand very little. I cannot speak. The words get stuck in my throat. Other students speak easily, they speak loudly and fluently. They speak without fear. I watch them and wonder, why can't I be like them? I compare myself with them. And I always feel small. I feel weak. I feel worthless. Sometimes students laugh at my mistakes. They copy my accent, they make fun of me. It hurts me deeply. I start thinking bad things about myself. I am slow, I am not good enough. I will never learn English. These thoughts become heavy. They follow me everywhere. One day the teacher asks me to read in front of the whole class. My heart stops. I stand up slowly. My hands shake. My voice becomes low. I start reading. I make many mistakes. I stop again and again. Some students laugh, some whisper. My face becomes red with shame. I sit down quickly. I feel completely broken. After school, I walk home alone. My head is down, my heart is heavy, my eyes are full of tears, the laughter echoes in my mind. By the time I reach home, tears are falling silently. At home, my mother is waiting. She sees my face. She knows something is wrong. A mother always knows. She sits beside me, she holds my hand gently, she asks softly, Lucas, what happened today? I cannot hide from her. I tell her everything about school, about English, about the laughter, about my shame. She listens quietly, she does not judge. Then she wipes my tears and says, Lucas, everyone feels afraid in life. Fear is normal, but quitting is not the solution. She says you do not need to be perfect. You only need to try, small steps are also steps. I believe in you, Lucas, now you need to believe in yourself. That night, I cannot sleep. I think about her words. I think about my future. I think about my father's hard work. I think about my mother's hope. Something changes inside me. A spark ignites, I decide firmly. I will try one more time. And if I fail, I will try again, I will not give up. The next day I start small, very small, I learn one sentence, I can do this. I repeat it many times, then another sentence. I will try again. I speak in front of the mirror. I make mistakes, but I laugh at myself, and I continue. Every day I learn little by little new words, simple sentences. I am hungry, I am ready, I need help. I am learning English, I practice every day. Morning, evening, night, slowly my fear becomes weaker. Slowly my confidence grows. I start answering small questions in class. My voice is low, but it is clear. Some students still laugh, but now I do not stop. I remind myself, I am learning. I am improving, their laughter cannot stop me. The teacher notices. She gives me a small smile, that smile means everything. Weeks pass, months pass, I keep practicing. I never miss a day. I read simple books. I listen carefully, I speak to myself. My vocabulary grows, my pronunciation improves. My fear shrinks, I am changing, slowly but surely. One day the teacher asks me to read again. I hear my name, my heart beats faster. But this time I am ready. I take a deep breath. I stand up with courage, I start reading, slowly but clearly, confidently, without stopping. I finish reading. The class is silent, no laughter, no whispers. The teacher smiles and says, Well done, Lucas, I am proud of you. Some students clap. I feel tears in my eyes, but tears of joy, tears of victory. That moment changes everything inside me. I understand something important now, belief changes everything. When you believe in yourself, fear becomes courage. Weakness becomes strength. The impossible becomes possible. Success is not about talent, success is about effort, success is about never giving up. Today I am still learning. I still make mistakes, but I am not afraid anymore. I speak English slowly, but proudly. I believe in myself, and because of that, my life is changing. If you are reading this, please know one thing. You are not alone, your fears are not permanent. Your failures are not final. If a poor village boy like me can rise, then you can too. Start small. Start today. Do not compare yourself with others, walk your own path. Small steps lead to big changes. You are stronger than you think, believe in yourself. Never give up. One day, your story will inspire others. That day starts now. You've been listening to English Flow Listening. If you enjoy this, subscribe for more daily English listening. See you in the next episode.